Good morning to everybody. We are going to discuss one horoscope. This horoscope is came for when we'll get a job like this, sir. Actually, in this horoscope, we are going to discuss only cuspal position only, sir. We are not using aspects, conjunction, retrogression. These are the common factor. Only we are using the cuspal. This video is only for the person who is having some knowledge in KP system. Then only this video is able to understand, sir. Otherwise, if the viewers is basic knowledge in astrology, they are not able to understand this video. Therefore, you can skip and go to other videos, sir. Because this video is advanced KP astrology prediction technique. Okay, sir. Therefore, the viewers should know about some knowledge in KP system. Then only they can understand. Okay, sir. In normal KP system, we are using the lord of the any planet significator. We are using the lord of the house, position of the house like this. Here, we are using only the cuspal point. Cuspal means 12 bhava cuspal only we are going to use. Because cuspal point only is easily, it is giving the unique, it is giving the unique presentations. For example, two person born in within 3 minutes or 4 minutes, the position and conjunction aspects all are same up to 2 hours. Okay, sir. If you are using the cusp, for example, 3 minutes different people in the cusp. For example, Rahu is the cuspal sublord of the first house. If it is increase 1 minute, Rahu will not change. But here, second sublord Mercury will be changed. Mercury is the second sublord. Saturn is the second sublord. If you increase 1 minute, it will be changed Ketu. Okay, sir. Here, like this, we have to see. If Venus is the sixth sublord and Venus is the sixth sublord, if you reduce 1 minute, it will be Ketu. That is why, for unique prediction, for unique performance, we have to take only the cuspal position of the horoscope. Okay, sir. Therefore, now we are going to discuss only the cuspal interlinks concept. The date of birth of the horoscope is 2/3/1997. Time is 9:36 p.m. Place is Chennai, Ambattur. The 12 bhava position for this horoscope, 12 bhava position and 9 planet position, it will be available in the board. Meantime, I will give the screenshot for all details, 12 bhava position, 9 planet position and degree and Rasi Gundali for South Indian and North Indian style. Everything it will be presented after 2 or 3 minutes, sir, in screenshot. Now we are going to discuss first of all the theory. In this for theory, the question is when will get job. Now the boy age is around now it is running 24-25 years old. He came for 1.5 years before to me. The ruling planet in this horoscope is RP. RP is 16/6/2020, 11:04 AM. Okay, sir. Sorry, PM. This is through email. He mailed me that time. 11:04 PM. He mailed 11:04 PM in night. After that, I taken the horoscope. When I received the time, is taken as a ruling planet. Okay, sir. All the details will be available in screenshot, sir. Before going to the horoscope, first we have to discuss the basic principle. What is the principle for job? This natal asking two questions. One is may I go for job or may I go for this one business. His father doing some business. I tried to get the job. It is not get past 2 years. Therefore, may I go for business or for my father business, or may I go for job like this, sir. Now we are going to discuss the horoscope, sir. Before discussing the horoscope, I will give the screenshot everything. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss. Hi everybody. Now this horoscope. Date of birth is 2/3/1997. Rectified time is 9:36 p.m. Given time is 9:35 p.m. We increased 1 minute through ruling planet. Rectified time is 9:36 p.m. Place of birth is Chennai, Ambattur. Latitude, longitude is given below. Star is birth star is Jayesetra. Rasi is Scorpio. Lagna is Libra, 7 degree 39 minutes 03 second. Dasa balance while birth is Mercury Dasa 10 years 7 month 20 days. Current Dasa Buddhi is Venus Dasa, Mars Buddhi, Moon Andhra, Mercury Suchma. Ruling planet is available in Lord Maha Uchishta Maha Ganapati in leg. It will be briefed in below. Below Uchishta Maha Ganapati. Ruling planet is 16/6/2020 11:04 p.m. Actually, this client is given details in to my email, and that time I noted 11:04 p.m. That is I taken as a ruling planet. Normally I will take the ruling planet when the student is when a student or our client is given the email or WhatsApp. That time I will take, sir. I taken. That is we are giving 11:04 p.m. This is not a direct consultation. This is online consultation. Okay, sir. Now we are going to next page. In this page, South Indian horoscope style we put it. Next page, North Indian style also we given. In this page, particularly for ruling planet, how I rectified the birth time. Most of the viewers asked for birth time. Birth time rectification is very simple. That is moon ruling planet. Ruling planet of moon position should match to birth time lagna position. Here moon ruling planet is moon when the received time is 16/6/2020 11:04 p.m. That time Ashwini star, Mesha Rasi, Ketu star, Saturn sub, Mercury sub, Rahu triple S sub Lord. That means Mercury and Rahu is the very short power point in this ruling planet, because Mars, the ruling planet Mars, Mesha Rasi is 2 days, Nakshatra is 1 day, Upanakshatra sublord for Saturn is only 4 hours it will come, Mercury is half an hour will come, Rahu may be 10 minutes or 12 minutes, depends upon the situation. Therefore, the Mercury and Rahu is the powerful significator in 11:04 p.m. that day. Okay, sir. When we are casting the horoscope, the given time is 9:35 p.m. For 9:35 p.m., Lagna sublord is Rahu, sub-sublord may be Saturn will come. Here, Rahu is the ruling planet Suchma. Ruling planet Suchma or Andhra Lord, maybe it should be in birth time sublord, Lagna sublord or Lagna sub-sublord. Therefore, Rahu already sublord of Lagna. In this Lagna, Libra is a Lagna. Rahu is the Lagna star, Swati star. Sublord is Rahu. Therefore, Rahu already positioned in Lagna sublord. Therefore, Mercury we put it as a Lagna sub lord for natal chart. Therefore, that is why we mentioned the arrow mark here. The violet color is Rahu and Mercury is green color we given. Please viewers, please observe. Then next we are going to next page. This page is North Indian Gundali style. Actually, we don't know about North Indian style. We are basically South Indian people, but most of the viewers, that means around more than 50 to 70%, this video is for North Indian people. They are lot of the people are requested me give me some North Indian style Gundali like this. Therefore, we are given the North Indian style here. Now we are going to next page. This page is 12 Bhava Kaspal position. Already it is explained before page, but separately we are given. For new person, if they are not having the software, they have to note down in notebook. Then they have to realize the when I am teaching. After 5 minutes, I am going to teach how to predicted the horoscope like this. That time your people note this one in notebook. When moving the YouTube video, just you put pause, then it will be stop. Then you please note it here. Lagna Rasi Lord and Ragna, not only Lagna, 12 Bhava Kaspal position we mentioned here. For example, Lagna star Rasi Lord is Venus, Lagna star Lord is Rahu, Lagna sub Lord is Rahu, sub Lord is Mercury, sub Lord is Venus. Triple S is no need. For Mercury starting position and ending position you should know. Therefore, we mentioned for triple S for Kaspal position. Because of the double S sub Lord starting point or ending point we have to know. That is why the triple S we mentioned. Okay, sir. Now we are going to go another page. This page is 9 planet position. Planet position is same as Sun in Saturn house. Is in the star of Rahu, sub of Moon, sub of Rahu, triple S Jupiter. Normally for planet we are it is enough star lord and sub lord only it is enough. If the planet is in own star and own sub, then only we will go for sub lord. Okay, sir. Therefore, star lord and sub lord is only enough. Now we are going to check another pages. This page is 9 planet Kaspal interlinks. For example, Sun is in the star of Rahu, sub of Moon. Sun is not a sublord of any cusp. It is sub-sublord of 10th house. Therefore, we mentioned 10 in ash symbol for Kaspal sub. Rahu is 1, 3, 5, 11 sublord. Moon is 9th sublord. Therefore, the effective links is 1, 3, 5, 9, 11. Because the star lord and the sublord both are odd number, therefore odd number all are activated. Because of the odd number, the Sun holding 10th house is not operating. 10th house is losing its power. Therefore, we are not given 10th house in effective links. Like this, we have to go all the 9 planet. Next, we are going to 12 Bhava interlinks, 12 Bhava sublord. First sublord Rahu, third sublord Rahu, fifth sublord Rahu, 11th sublord Rahu. Therefore, 1, 5, 3, 11 is Rahu. He is in the star of Sun, sub of Mercury. Whatever we seen in planet position, same we are applying here. Okay, sir. Now we are going to that means here Lagna is interlinked with 2, 4, 10. Second house is interlinked with 1, 3, 5, 11. Third house interlinked with 2, 4, 10. This is easily you can understand. The viewers don't have the software. Just you take notebook and put tabular column and write it. Now this last page is the 9 planet position and 12 Bhava position is combined in one page. the combined one page. In this horoscope, in bottom side, in this page bottom side, plus symbol is there. That means these planet don't have any planet in the stars, star lord and sublord. That means if you see the all planet, the Ketu is having the plus sign, plus symbol. That means there is no planet in Ketu star and Ketu sub. For example, moon, other planet like moon, there is no plus symbol is there. Because sun in moon sub, Jupiter in moon star. Therefore, moon having two agent. One is sun, another one is Jupiter. For Ketu, there is no agent. Therefore, we are put it at the plus symbol. That means the Ketu will do 8th house strongly. That is why we mentioned. Okay, sir. Then ash symbol, sub-sublord. Ash means sun and Mars and Saturn is as having ash symbol. Sun is 10th sub-sublord, Mars is 4th sub-sublord, Saturn is 2nd and 3rd sub-sublord. Therefore, we are giving the ash symbol because the cuspal sub-sublord is moving very fast. For example, sun in the sub-sublord of maybe 10 second or 15 second only. If it is sublord of Mars or Ketu or sun, it may be 4 second or 5 second only. Therefore, sun and Mars is very fasting. Saturn also it may be 1 minute or 1 minute 10 second or 15 second, depends upon the cuspal sublord. Therefore, this is fast moving. Therefore, we have to take some careful. That is why if any planet is in the position cuspal sub-sublord, we are giving some alert symbol, the ash symbol. Another one is located house. If the planet is not located in any cusp, then we have to take the located position. In this horoscope, there is no planet is located position. All the planet is in cuspal star lord or sublord or sub-sublord. Therefore, the dollar symbol is not put in this page. And top symbol is if any planet in its own star and own sub, we are giving the top symbol. That means that planet will do very strengthly strength in their bhava. For example, Saturn is having the top symbol, Jupiter also in the top symbol. Jupiter is own sub. Jupiter in the star of moon sub of Jupiter. Due to the own sub, we are moving the top. Saturn is own star, therefore Saturn having the top. That means if any planet in own star and own sub, the particular holding bhava will activate more power. That is why we are mentioned. That's also now we are going to discuss the horoscope. For newcomers, I am explaining this because this is new methodology. All the people in KP, we are using only the position and placement, ruling. These are the common factor. We are using only the cuspal point. Therefore, the new person for cuspal interlinks theory, I am explaining these details. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss horoscope. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss. First of all, for job, 6th house is the job, sir. For job, 6th house. For business, 7th house. Why? Because 6th house is called as a commitment or slave. 6 months in astrology, 6 months we called as commitment or slave. Because for Lagna is called freedom. Lagna is called freedom. Okay, sir. 7th house is business. Business is favorable to Lagna. The 7th house is favorable to Lagna. Therefore, business is having some freedom. For 6th house is unfavorable to Lagna. From 6th house, for 6th house is unfavorable to Lagna. Because 6th house is the even number. Lagna is the odd number. Always previous video, previous 4 video already we given. That video we given the example for odd number and even number. Odd number for inner biased life, even number for outer biased life. Inner biased means non-material, outer biased means material life. Okay sir, anyway, the job is 6th house, not only the 6th house, 7th house is called for equally. 7th house is called equally income. 7th house is equal. 6th house is unequal. For example, if one person is doing business means he is getting daily income or 2 days, 3 days daily, lot of public relationship will come. 7th house is called as a public relationship and getting income through public. Meantime, it is always same level. 6th house is called as a unequal. Unequal means for monthly salary, they are getting salary in one time only. When getting the salary, after 30 days only he will get the salary. Okay sir, therefore 6th house is called a job. 7th house is called equal, always same, more or less same like this. 6th house is called love, one time only getting money, after that getting 30 days only you will getting more money. That is why 6th house is a job. In this horoscope, first we are going to see this horoscope is favorable for 6th house or 7th house. If any horoscope 6th house should connected with 2, 4, 6, 10 is called as a getting more money. Our 4th rule is there. 2, 4, 6, 10 is the first quality for getting more money. 1, 3, 7, 11 is called average income, more happiness with average income. Compared to 2, 4, 6, 10, 1, 3, 7, 11 is the average income. 5, 9 is no income. 4th rank, 8, 12 also no income, very heavy loss. This is no income, this is heavy loss. 5, 9 is called no income because this is 8 and 12 for 10th house. 10th house is the house of profession. Okay sir, 10th house is called a professional status. Okay sir, for job and business we have to discuss only 6th and 7th house only. 10th house is the honor of top rank profession. Okay sir. Now this is the basic rule for all the horoscopes sir. This is easy to understand. We are giving the 4 rule. Now we are going to discuss in this horoscope. First of all, 6th sublord. 6th sublord is Venus. Venus in the star of Rahu, sub of Saturn. Venus in the star of Rahu, sub of Saturn. 6th sublord is Venus. Venus is also a sublord of 12th also. Therefore, we have to put 12 also here. Now we are going to discuss the 6th potential. 6th potential means it is favorable for 10th house or not. When any bhava is favorable for 10th house means it will be we can do job, we can do income, we can do profession through the job, through the bhava. Now Rahu, in this horoscope Rahu is 1, 3, 5, 11. 1, 3, 5, 11. Rahu is the sublord of 1, 3, 5, 11. And Saturn is not a sublord of any houses. Okay sir. Now we are going to, if any planet is not in the sublord of any bhava, now we are going to sub-sublord. Okay sir, this is very strong significator. After that, if it is not available any planet in this area, we have to go this area, we have to search this area. In this area, Saturn is 2nd sublord and 3rd sublord. Therefore 2nd and 3rd we are going to put. Okay sir, here this is star, this is sub, This is planet. We are going to discuss sixth potential. Sixth sublord is interlinked with 1, 3, 5, 11 and 2 and 3. In 2 and 3, second house is more powerful because from third this is 12th house. Therefore, second house is getting more power. Particularly for cuspal interlinks theory, here this is the first part. Star is the first part, sub is the second part. Or star is the matter, sub is the decider. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, here 2. Okay, sir. This is average only. 1, 3, 11 is favorable for money making. 5 or 5th house is unfavorable for money making. Anyway, 5th house controlled by 11th house. We already discussed it in previous classes. Sabdama Bhava. This is called Sabdama Bhava. 1, 7, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 10, 5, 11, 6, 12. It's called Sabdama Bhava. Sabdama Bhava is it is controlled. Only 5th house is bad. If 11th house will join with the 5th house means the 5th house will be controlled. It will be controlled 50%. Therefore, the 6th sublord is connected 1, 3, 5, 11 and here sublord is 2nd and 3. Finally, very strong signifier is 1, 3, 5, 11 only. Because for second house, 8, 12 is the bad house. 8, 12 is not there here. Therefore, first house will work. For third house, second house is unfavorable. Because of first house, the third house is also combined with the first house. For fifth house, 4, 8, 12 is the bad house. Here 4, 8, 12 is not there. Therefore, fifth house also will come. For 11th house, 2, 6, 10 is the bad house. Because of fifth house, 5 and 11 is the pair house. Therefore, the pair house automatically it will come. Actually, first part of in his life is getting normal salary. Second part of is getting little bit increased salary. But it is average. Okay, sir. Meantime, I asked the person, sir, what is your higher education qualification? He told, I am a computer engineer. He studied BE computer software line. The software is the third house. Now we have to check the third house also. Because if third house is unfavorable to 10th house, that means third house is interlinked with 5, 9 or 8, 12. He can't do computer line. Okay, sir. Anyway, we will discuss later for third house. Now we are going to check the business. Business means 7th house. 7th house we are going to discuss. For 7th sublord, Jupiter is the 7th sublord. Jupiter also a sub-sublord of 7th house. Anyway, first we are going to discuss the Jupiter. Jupiter in this horoscope is in the moon star. Jupiter is in the star of moon, sub of again Jupiter. Okay, sir. Jupiter, the 7th sublord. Now we are going to discuss the 7th sublord. Jupiter is in the star of moon, sub of Jupiter. This is planet, star, sub. Jupiter is not a sublord of any above, only 7th house only. Okay, sir. Now moon, if you check moon, moon is the 9th sublord. Therefore, we are going to put 9th house here. When again Jupiter, 7th house. Now it is interlinked with the 7, 9. Star is 9th house, sub is 7th house. 9th house is developed by 7th house. Here 1, 3, 5, 11, this house is little bit controlled by second house. But here 9th house is developed by 7th house. 7, 9 is there. 9th house is unfavorable for 10th house. Not only 10th house, 2nd house and 6th house also. Okay, 2, 6, 10 is the karma sthana, material sthana, 2, 6, 10. This is unfavorable to 10th house and also unfavorable to 2nd house. Therefore, it is developed by sub. Therefore, he is not suitable for business. Therefore, he will go for monthly salary. In 6th house is called nature of job also. Okay, this 1359 is called a simple job. That means there is no physical state. This 13511 is favorable to Lagna, little bit unfavorable to 10th house. Therefore, this job, nature of job is not giving more responsibility, but he is enjoying his job because this Bhavas is favorable to Lagna. Lagna is enjoyment. Therefore, he is enjoying his job. There is no physical strain. Okay, sir. Therefore, he is better do the job only, not go for business. Okay, sir. Now we are going to this. You want to go the computer related job. Computer related job means 3rd house is the computer related bhava. If the person is want to go any business or any job, the particular bhava should interlink with 2, 4, 6, 10 or 1, 3, 7, 11. 2, 4, 6, 10 means getting more income. 1, 3, 7, 11 is getting normal income. It should not connected 5, 9 and 8, 1. Okay, sir. This is the thumb rule in our concept, sir. Only 4 rule only. The person is, the viewers having some basic knowledge in KP astrology, definitely the people can understand this theory within 4 to 5 months. Already we published a 6 book in English. It will be available in my website. If you see the description, our English website is there. We already published a profession book, profession, destiny of profession for in advanced KP stellar astrology technique. That book give lot of matters, content, and application book also is there. That book is giving lot of examples how to predict the horoscope through cuspal interlinks theory. Okay, sir. Now we are going to discuss 3rd house because he is studied in computer related job. Computer related job is 3rd house. 3rd sublord is Rahu. Rahu in this horoscope, if you see Rahu, this is Rahu. Rahu in this horoscope, Rahu, 3rd sublord is Rahu. Rahu in the star of Sun, sub of Mercury. Okay, so Rahu is in the star of Sun, sub of Mercury. Rahu is not only a 3rd sublord, it is also a 1, 3, 5, 11. Already we put it here, same you have to put here 1, 3, 5, 11. He is in the star of Sun. If you see Sun, there is no cuspal sublord. Sun is not a cuspal sublord of any house. Therefore, we are going to this area. If you see all the places, Sun is the 10th sublord. Therefore, we have to put 10 here. Then Mercury. Then Moon, sorry. Rahu is in the sub of moons. Rahu in the star of Sun, sub of Moon. This is star lord, this is sub lord. Already we discussed Moon is in the 9th sublord. Therefore, we are going to put, sorry, Mercury. Oh, Mercury only. Sorry, Mercury only. Rahu in the star of Sun, sub of Mercury. Mercury, if you see 2, 4, 10. 2, 4, 10. 2, 4, 10. Mercury is in the sublord of 2, 4, 10. That means here the result is 2, 4, 10. The result is 2, 4, 10. Star matter subdecider what are the mentioned in 10th house is favorable. These are the favorable house for 10th house. Therefore, 10th house is developed. That means here third house interlinked with 2, 4, 10. Lagna interlinked with 2, 4, 10. And fifth house interlinked with 2, 4, 10. 11th house interlinked with 2, 4, 10. Therefore, third house is very fair, is very good for making money, and it is directly connected with the 10th house. Therefore, he will be get good professional status in computer field. Okay, sir. Now, definitely he will go for computer. He will. The potential is there. Due to the sixth potential is little bit weak. Starting period it will be delay. Now we are going to discuss the Dasa Buddhi. Okay, now we are going to discuss the Dasa Buddhi.